Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a bill in Tally. To start, open Tally Prime and go to the gateway of Tally. From there, select Vouchers to access the transaction entry screen. You will then choose the specific voucher type that matches your billing needs, like a sales voucher for customer invoices or a purchase voucher for supplier bills. This initial step sets the foundation for accurate record keeping and efficient financial management within your business operations. Next, you will enter all the essential transaction details. First, select the correct party ledger, whether it is a customer or a supplier. Then, meticulously add each item or service, specifying the quantity and the corresponding rate for each. Don't forget to include any discounts, taxes, or other charges that apply to the bill. Accurate entry here is crucial for maintaining precise financial records and ensuring your invoices reflect the true value of the transaction. Now, let's focus on applying taxes and discounts. Tally allows you to select relevant tax ledgers, like GST, which will automatically calculate the tax amount based on your item rates. You can also easily apply discounts, either as a percentage or a fixed amount, to individual items or the entire bill. Always take a moment to review the total bill amount to confirm all calculations are correct. This ensures compliance and accurate financial reporting. Finally, once all details are entered and verified, press Enter to accept and save your bill. Tally will then record this transaction in your books. You can easily print a physical copy of the bill for your records or for your customer. Additionally, Tally offers options to export the bill in different digital formats, such as PDF, which is excellent for digital archiving and sharing. This completes the billing process, ensuring your records are up to date.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.